This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Oh hi there! Ikea has been quietly dropping some absolute gems for small space living. There's some serious pieces that maximize every square inch, do double duty, and still look gorgeous doing it. So today I'm sharing the best Ikea hidden gems for small spaces that you really need to know about. I'm An, this is my dog Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We are kicking things off with the GRIMSARBO Side table, and right off the bat, this side table is a proof that small can still be mighty. This one is so lightweight, compact, and so easy to tuck next to a sofa, bed, or even that awkward corner you never know what to do with. It gives you a surface without visually crowding the room, which is key in small spaces. Not to mention, it has hidden storage underneath the plywood shelf that lets you keep your living room knickknacks hidden but close at hand. Plus, made out of metal and plywood combo, this one is made to last. Next one is a piece I just love so much, and that is the HOLMERUD shelf. Now this is one of those pieces that works so well in keeping your home organized while making the most out of the vertical space. It's slim, sculptural, and has built-in storage, so you're getting surface space and a place to stash books, remotes, or just decor you want spread out. Plus, it hugs your sofa in such a beautiful way that it looks almost built-in. It's just the perfect piece for small living rooms that need that extra space for storage or decor. And here's one that multitasks in the best possible way, and that is the Billy bookcase with a desk. Now this one is a small space genius. It combines storage and workspace vertically, which is exactly how you win in a tight apartment. You get shelving above, a desk below, and suddenly you have a home office without sacrificing half the room. It's just ideal for studios, bedrooms, or any "where do I put a desk" situation. I'm loving this one so much, and it is a last chance to buy, so if you want it, you'll have to hurry up. Next up is another one of my favorites, and that is the Alganas shoe rack. Now, if your entryway is basically a hallway, this shoe rack is a lifesaver. Alganas keeps shoes organized without sticking out or eating up floor space. The shelves tilt, which makes it slimmer than other shoe racks. Plus, we have to agree, this one looks so cool. It's minimal, open, and visually light, so it doesn't make small entrances feel cluttered. This is one of those quiet budget IKEA gems that just works. Now, before we get to our next IKEA gem, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace. You know how on this channel we are always talking about making your space look intentional and just put together? Well, your online presence deserves that same energy, and with Squarespace's AI, you don't need any designer experience to build something that looks completely professional and just totally you. It asks you just a few simple questions and it builds out a stunning, personalized website from scratch. Not to mention getting paid through your site, which is just as seamless with Squarespace payments. It's fully integrated so you can accept credit cards, Apple Pay, and more, all without needing any third-party tools. Everything just works together in one piece. Plus, with their built-in SEO tools, your site doesn't just look good, it actually gets found. It's honestly the full package you've been looking for. So if you're ready to show up online the right way, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of our website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA gems. We're moving on with our small space gems list. And next up, we have this beautiful Gardsbutik storage bin. Now with this one, you get storage that actually looks good. Although it's primarily made for recycling, people people have been using it for storing so many different things around the home or just random life stuff that need a home. I just love how this one looks, plus the fact that you can mount it on the wall and make use of vertical space for storage even more is just chef's kiss. Now another gem for small spaces that also clears up the floor space is the Kinnasjö trash can. This tiny trash can is a small space MVP. It sticks onto your wall, which means no drill needed to hang it, making it so renter friendly and easy to install. Plus no wasted floor space, perfect for bathrooms, inside cabinets or under sinks. It's practical, affordable, and just what you need in a small home, where details like these make a huge difference. Now the next Ikea Kinnan gem I have for you is actually a sofa, and that is the GRUNNARP Sleeper sofa. Now Ikea has many sleeper sofas, but none of them look this gorgeous. I mean, this one just doesn't look like it's sleeper sofa at all. And you'll have to agree, if you live in a small space, your sofa has to do more than just sit there. And this one gives you seating by day and a real bed by night without screaming pull-out couch. It's ideal for studios or homes without a guest room. One piece, two functions, zero wasted space, while looking so good. Now a piece I have talked about so many times on my channel is the INVALLNING Utility cart. And this cart is just such a gem in general. Not only it rolls wherever you need it, but you can add different Ikea boxes on top of it and literally make your own storage on wheels, which is just amazing. I just love plain genius pieces like this, and in small homes, movable storage is just gold because nothing is permanently stuck in one roll. Affordable, practical, and just endlessly useful. Loving this one so much. And when we are talking about small spaces, I just cannot go on without mentioning the KYRRE Stool, which is the ultimate small space sidekick. I have this one in my home and it works perfectly for so many things, as an extra seating, side table, or even a plant stand, and when you don't need it, it stacks away neatly. It's lightweight, simple, and multifunctional, plus you can stack multiple stools one on top of each other, and they just look super cute while fitting in any corner of your small space. And we're finishing off with the Brannboll Open storage unit on casters. And this one is perfect for anyone who needs flexible storage in a small space. I've been eyeing this one for such a long time. I just love that this one is basically a rolling pegboard that has so many options for organizing things around your home. I know it's supposed to be used for the home office, but I can totally see it in kitchens for organizing kitchen utensils or in the bathroom for cleaning supplies. It's practical, playful, and just super adaptable for tiny layouts. And that's a wrap for today. Did you like these IKEA finds? Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Mine is definitely the KYRRE Stool. I just have to get some more on my next trip to IKEA. Also, as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. I post every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Okay guys, Leto has been just noticing Mars and Zara more and more each day as he's approaching his 7th month. He's almost 7 months old. I mean, I just cannot believe how time passes. So Mars has been exhausted since Leto has been throwing the ball or trying to throw him a ball. And with Zara and with Leto, he's just been sleeping all day, as always, as usual. So let's go check him out. Let's go close up. Hey Mars. Will you wake up, buddy? Or not? Just rest. Please, please just rest. You need the energy. You need the energy, Mars. Guys, let us know in the comment section below if you want a live soon. Maybe we can chat together. Maybe we can bring Zara too. How about that? Bye guys. See you next week. Bye.